ensures smooth steering, reduces friction, prevents wear, and protects power steering components. My today's video is about top 5 best car power steering fluid that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. Valvoline continues to set the standard in auto and truck maintenance with products you can truly rely on. Proudly manufactured in the United States, Valvoline reflects a strong commitment to quality, performance, and consistency. Whether you're maintaining a personal vehicle or managing a fleet of trucks, this brand delivers dependable solutions designed to protect engines and extend vehicle life. Valvoline products are formulated with advanced technology to help reduce wear, improve efficiency, and keep critical components running smoothly. The brand's long-standing reputation in the automotive industry speaks volumes about its durability and effectiveness. From routine oil changes to comprehensive maintenance needs, Valvoline provides trusted performance under a wide range of driving conditions. If you're looking for a manufacturer with proven expertise and high manufacturing standards, Valvoline stands out as a reliable choice. It's a name professionals and everyday drivers trust for maintaining peak vehicle performance. Now our second product is Lubegard Car Power Steering Fluid. This power steering fluid is a versatile and reliable service solution for virtually all European, North American, and Asian vehicles, making it a convenient choice for mixed fleets or multi-car households. It's especially suitable for Honda and Acura models where Honda fluid is recommended, offering added peace of mind for those drivers. Formulated to reduce friction, it helps protect seals and hoses from premature wear, effectively extending the life of the entire power steering system. The fluid performs exceptionally well in both cold starts and high-temperature conditions, eliminating the common morning sickness stiffness that can make steering feel heavy at startup. It's also compatible with electric hydraulic systems, adding to its broad usability. Beyond lubrication, it works to clean and free sticky turbines and pumps, helping restore smooth and responsive steering. Overall, this fluid delivers dependable performance, protection, and long-term reliability for a wide range of vehicles. Our third product is Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. This advanced stop leak formula is an excellent solution for maintaining and restoring your power steering system. Engineered to condition and rejuvenate worn seals, it effectively helps stop existing leaks while preventing future fluid loss. The result is smoother, more consistent steering performance without the hassle of frequent top-offs. Its long-term durability benefits stand out, offering strong protection against wear and tear under demanding driving conditions. By minimizing internal friction and safeguarding components, it helps extend the life of pumps, seals, and other critical parts of the anti-foaming and oxidation control properties further enhance performance. By reducing fluid breakdown and preventing harmful foam formation, it keeps the system clean, stable, and responsive over time. The added seal conditioning restores flexibility to aging seals, reducing cracking and leak risks. With compatibility for systems meeting GM, Chrysler, and Ford specifications, this formula delivers dependable, multi-application reliability for confident vehicle maintenance. Now number 4, BlueDevil Products Car Power Steering Fluid. This power steering stop leak solution delivers exactly what drivers look for: reliable, long-lasting results. With its guaranteed permanent seal claim, it provides confidence that leaks can be effectively addressed without costly repairs or part replacements. It's designed to restore dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals, bringing flexibility back to aging components and helping the system function smoothly again. One of its standout benefits is versatility. It works in both gas and diesel engines, making it a practical option for a wide range of vehicles. Instead of masking the issue, it targets the root cause by conditioning the seals and stopping fluid loss at the source. The formula is also safe and easy to use, requiring no complicated procedures or special tools. Simply add it as directed, and let it go to work. Overall, it's a convenient and cost-effective solution for extending the life of your power steering system. And our last choice is Lubegard Car Power Steering Fluid. This fully synthetic power steering fluid is an excellent choice for drivers who need manufacturer-specific compatibility without sacrificing performance. Designed for all Honda and Acura power steering systems, including 2007 and newer models requiring a synthetic formula, it delivers reliable, factory-level performance. It's also suitable for 2012 and newer Ford Super Duty vehicles that require Ford high-temperature power steering fluid. Motorcraft XL22, making it a versatile option for select Ford applications as well. The formula provides superior anti-wear protection, significantly reducing friction inside the system and helping extend the life of the power steering pump and related components. Its consistent performance across a wide range of temperatures ensures smooth steering response in both cold starts and high heat conditions. Importantly, it contains no seal swellers, helping maintain seal integrity without causing unnecessary expansion or damage. Overall, it's a high-quality, dependable fluid for maintaining smooth and long-lasting steering performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.